Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve this exponential equation 3 to the power a plus 9 to the power a is equal to 27 to the power a, or divided both sides by 3 to the power a, we can write 3 to the power a over 3 to the power a plus 9 to the power a over 3 to the power a is equal to 27 to the power a over 3 to the power a, or this 3 to the power a over 3 to the power a will 1 plus this can be written as 9 over 3 whole to the power a is equal to, similarly this can be written as 27 over 3 whole to the power a, or 1 plus 9 over 3 is 3, so 3 to the power a is equal to 27 over 3 is 9, so it can be written as 9 to the power a, or 1 plus 3 to the power a is equal to 9 is 3 square whole to the power a, or 1 plus 3 to the power a is equal to, this can be written as 3 to the power a whole square. Now considering 3 to the power a as m, we can write 1 plus m is equal to m square, here m is equal to 3 to the power a, or taking this left side to right and writing right side to left, we can write m square minus m minus this 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, the general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then x is equal to negative b plus or minus b square minus 4ca square root over twice a. Comparing these two equations, we will have a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 1 and c is equal to negative 1. Now substituting this value in this equation, we will have the value of m is equal to negative of b is negative 1 plus or minus square root of b square means negative 1 whole square minus 4 times c is negative 1 times a is 1 over 2 times a is 1, or m is equal to negative of negative 1 is positive 1 plus or minus square root of negative 1 whole square is 1, 4 times negative 1 is negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times negative is positive 4 over 2 times 1 is 2, or m is equal to 1 plus or minus 1 plus 4 is 5, so square root of 5 over 2. Now taking positive, we can write m is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, or Substituting the value of m is equal to 3 to the power a is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, or taking log to both sides, we can write log 3 to the power a is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, or according to law of logarithm, we can write it as a log 3 is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now divided both sides by log 3, we will have the value of a is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 divided log 3. Now for this negative, we can write m is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2, or substituting the value of m is equal to 3 to the power a, we can write 3 to the power a is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. The power of a positive number is always positive, but square root of 5 is greater than 1, so 1 minus square root of 5 is negative, so 1 minus square root of 5 over 2 is also negative, so right side is negative. Left side is positive and right side is always negative, so there is no real solution. So the only real solution of this equation is log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 divided by log 3. So this is the solution of this equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.